Good morning. Welcome back to this beautiful Monmouthshire in Wales, in the UK, field. What a setting. So I've just run as you've probably seen on the last two videos, I've just run the 362 XP Special and I've also run the 7900. Both those saws are amazing. I stand by what I said about that 362 XP. They are absolute bargain and a hell of a performer. That 7900 is a total ripper. Like, I'm so keen to run that next to a 500i. It's so strong. However, having run it for a good while this morning, it's feeling heavy now because I've been doing a lot of outstretch things. I've got quite a heavy 26-inch Shimara bar, not the lightweight, the sort of tough bar, and it feels heavy. So I've also brought the 461 along. So exactly the same. This has got both tanks full now, but it has got the 25-inch light bar on. So I'm really keen to run this for a bit now and see how it feels compared to that 7900. Obviously, hopefully next week, I think I'm going to find some time to go up and collect my 500i and do a nice tour of the wonderful guys at Ron Smith who've sorted that out. I think where that 500i is going to score actually is not in power, but I think it's in weight. 6 pounds, 6.2, 6.3 pounds power head only. I think is going to be an absolute game changer for this sort of stuff. So I'm going to get this warmed up, and then you can listen to it running in the wood. In fact, I'll just film the cold start for you. So how well is this going to start? Stone cold. Always the sign of a good saw, isn't it? Always a test, sorry. Here we go. How are you doing? Oh, you're still going. Let me have a look. Where are you? Just tilt you that way a bit more. Oh. That's really interesting running that after the 7900. It feels like it's got the power. It's revier. It's like Tin Man says, isn't it? What you need is a saw that idles well, instantly smacks up, does it all. This chain, which is that Panther skip tooth, I think I definitely need to take a little nibble off the rakers. I need to put a raker gauge on it. I haven't touched it because I wanted to see how it was new. The saw definitely feels like it needs, whatever you call it, full comp, full house, non-skip, you know, a tooth, all the teeth. I'm gonna get, when I get the 500i, it'll come with a hexa kit. So it'll be really interesting to see how this runs with that hexa setup on it. But I tell you what guys, I'm loving this saw now. With this bar, it's absolutely just transformed this saw for me now. Great for this sort of stuff. Yeah, what's not to like about a 461? Really starting to get used to throwing it around now. It's amazing when you run a few saws, isn't it, how different they all feel. But don't know, this sort of 70, what's this, 77cc, 77, 80cc, you know, 6.5 kilo saws. Oh yeah, I said pounds earlier, didn't I, for a 500i? It's not 6.2 pounds, 6.2 kilos must be. Yeah, perfect weight. Anyway, hope you're doing good. Hello to all the new subscribers. Hello to the old subscribers as well. Thank you so much for all your continued comments and watches and everything. I really, really appreciate it. Do click the subscribe button if you've made it this far and you're liking the videos. And yeah, we'll see you soon on the next video. Quite a few things to film here, and I think we'll be back here for more playing. So let me know what saws you'd like me to run here. See how it goes. Take it steady guys, have a great day wherever you are, whatever day it is with you.